Let's talk a little bit, if we can, about Bitcoin. This is a market I think we're all still trying to understand and get our heads around. We certainly don't have a ton of historical data. We had this incredible run up in the fall going into the holidays, and then we've seen a pretty big pullback. What do you make of the action here, and what do the charts tell you about how investors should think about it going forward?
So I mean, first of all, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. So they had a really strong 2017, and then have pulled back. Lost more than 2/3 of their value at the lows earlier this week. Believe it or not, that hasn't been completely unprecedented for Bitcoin. So if you look back through history, there have been other periods where it's seen very large declines like that. As far as extrapolating that to the overall equity market, I don't know if you can make a real strong correlation there, but you could look at the big run-up we did see in Bitcoin and just highlight that as another example of overall consumer and investor enthusiasm. And so in a strong market, people tend to take more risks, and they moved into some riskier assets and, have learned a painful lesson that what goes up also comes down.